Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is our fall season series of vlogs. And for today's video, we are going to take you to Nebu Loop, which is in Payson, Utah. This place is approximately 77 miles from our place, and travel time is around 1 hour and 40 minutes. And look at the mountain. There is the letter P, which stands for Payson. This is our first time to explore Nebu Loop on a fall season, at medyo umiwas kami sa Alpine Loop kasi crowded yung place na yun during the same day that we visited Nebu Loop. And as what we have heard, I think they have closed the roads dahil masyado ng congested and traffic. Buti na lang din na isipan namin dito pumunta instead na sa Alpine Loop, otherwise naipit kami doon sa traffic. So guys, samahan nyo kami as we explore Nebu Loop in Payson, Utah.
Israel, oh.
Isa din itong Nebu Loop sa mga most visited canyons during fall season dito sa Utah. Pero during the day na pumunta kami is hindi siya ganun ka-crowded or ka-traffic. Siguro dahil karamihan ng mga tao ay nasa Alpine Canyon pa nakafocus. And at the same time, medyo umulan o umambon nung araw na pumunta kami. Kaya may pagka-cloudy pa.
destination will be on the left.
So first stop is Grotto Falls. We are going to hike, pero short hike lang siya. It's not even a mile. But I'm going to have a separate video of that. So after naming mag-hike sa Grotto Falls, we were supposed to go to Double Falls. Unfortunately, walang signal sa canyon na ito and nawala na kami sa aming map. At hindi namin nahanap yung Double Falls, kaya nag-decide na lang kami na mag-road trip na lang.
Maybe in their place.
No, my place. Please.
No.
Because how will I finish the homework?
I think they will have dinner. Libre pagkain ba eh?
Awesome. Nanay. Pasta love dinner.
And we ended our Nebuloop road trip in this area. And then from here, babalik na lang kami. But then I will still show you the video of going back to the entrance of Nebuloop. Kasi iba din naman ang perspective pagka pababa ka na ng canyon.
Can I connect to the car?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Because we're going back now.
Maybe 1 hour from here.
Are you going to eat?
Yeah, let's see.
Don't eat too much.
I think of the settings. Am I connected?
No. Bluetooth devices. Your it's not connected. Mine is.
I'm the Moto 5G.
Yeah, why it's not here?
Are you disconnected?
Huh? I'm not connected too.
Well, switch off your Bluetooth.
No. Even
Because I get connected here.
Bakit?
It can only I was connected using that.
Yeah, they connect using
I can't use my phone. I have to use the pad.
this one.
No, I don't need that.
Oh.
It also doesn't work from that.
You need to touch that.
What do you want me to do? I cannot find the Moto
Click the
G.
settings again.
Oh.
Go to Bluetooth.
Mm.
Bluetooth.
Mm. Your devices were not registered.
It was registered last time.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because there's no signal when you connect it, so it was not in the memory. Google Photos. Ito nga, pulang-pula. you're going to survive even the physical fitness for the pilot.
Just And that's it for our Nebo Loop road trip. You might want to consider visiting this area in your future fall season getaway. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate your time in dropping by to our channel. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from us. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. God bless.